Hello guys, today we're gonna play a game which is called Super Doomspire, and here's some tips that you can use when you're playing on mobile, because I play on mobile. So first things first, you have to learn how to get, so this is the classic round, so you have to get the people over there, out there, because they'll try to kill you. They'll try to kill you and also try to break your Doomspire. So the thing you want is to destroy the Doomspire like this. You have to put the bullets. Something is wobbling me. Like sometimes you actually push yourself off the cliff sometimes, which causes you in death. And then people sometimes will fall off the cliff, and there's this tiny little spot over there. If you want to kill somebody, then kill somebody with noise. Okay, we killed a person, and we ain't stopping there. Okay, so he's dead now, and we win. See? So the technique is you have to put your thumb in the jump button, and then when you need to let go of it, then just get your finger out of the way, and then you just push the lunge button if you want to, and you not to press the screen if you want to lunge. You just have to jump and then lunge. Okay. So, like, some swords have special abilities, like the fire sword and the ice sword, and they could be pretty annoying weapons when spammed. Like, some people, like I know, have very annoying properties with the fire sword or the. Why is the trampoline not working? The trampoline is not working sometimes. Infection. And infection is one of my favorite rounds. So you have to equip the frying pan. So if you don't have a frying pan, then that's fine. You can use the great sword, but it will just decrease your moving speed. Possum City. When you're infected, you have to get some stuff like the great sword and the really annoying paintball gun. Those are the annoying tips for being a zombie, because they do great damage, because zombies don't have very much health at all. They only have a teensy width of health. So all you want to do is just get to the top lazily, and the people who are hunting for your blood, then all you have to do is just some people just you kill somebody, happy thing. It's a good thing, but you want to regain your health first. So just get jumping around, because zombies regain their health very quickly. Very quickly. So you want to be the annoyingest person on earth. If you're lucky, then you can kick people out. These zombies don't have a lot of health. No! Sometimes it gets really annoying, but ouch. So now I have to go get the last people. So we still have about 5 people left, and I destroyed 2 already with my wit. And now all we have to do is try to get everybody else. You know, sometimes zombies can be annoying. The zombies inside your house scouting can be annoying when you're a survivor. It's the sad truth is I keep being a zombie for some reason. No, I got killed. So I tried my very best. Probably that Ing person is gonna die anytime soon. Because I killed her. No, instead, so then we got killed by 2 people. What the thing? What? Don't worry, I'll take care of it. And then we'll find it. Some people just get really annoying and they kill you. Okay, so since now we're finished doing our Doomsday tips, now we're gonna play a game which is called Beesworm Simulator, and I have a few tips and tricks for everybody here. That has the basic set, the normal set. So the thing is, you have to go around, get this hive, and then you see it's the winter event now. So it's all Super Doomsday style here. So you have a lot of money. So here's a tip: you have to farm in a certain field that has at least 3 white flowers, 3 of these type of flowers. This type of flower is the good flowers. It used to be really big. It used to be a big flower. Because imagine snow bears can be fun. And it also could be annoying. Dear yourself too. They could be really deadly. And all you have to do is avoid the snowballs. Don't touch him. You defeated a snow bear. After that, you have to wait for another hour before the snow bear respawns. Okay, so right now, we are traveling right here. So this is the place where you can get your level 6 gift. You got 6 down. So after that, you can actually go get some more money tokens over here. So there's some of these. So I have to complete a quest called Sparka's Board. I'm gonna dig into this business beast and get some treats and stuff. Blueberries have a small chance to get notations on your hands. So you have a bunch of blueberries. That's a good thing because this increases your chance of getting stuff. So I recommend getting 50 blueberries with yourself. So I have to go here. And over here, I can get my meat is delicious. Sometimes over here, there's stupid crispy here. You can defeat the vicious bee over here. It's actually easy because the vicious bee spawns here sometimes. So after we're done, we can go to the bee. Or the bear. Black bear gave me this quest. So, you have to find black bear. The maximum of 2 spikes can appear in one night. This is the only field that can have spikes. So if you're a newbie, then always be in this field at night. You never know because stingers usually spawn out of nowhere sometimes. So when you're done, you can go to different places. And then you get some honey, some field ices, and obviously a Oreo jelly. So personally myself, I really like to buy stingers because I almost got enough stingers to get a vicious bee. A vicious bee requires 250 stingers. So this means that you need some stingers. You can buy stingers from over here. And this is the end. It's a challenge. You can play it. Usually the bees are not so active at night, so they usually go to sleep at this time. This field is called the ant field. A lot of honey found here. And this is where some our panda bear's quests are. The sad thing is that you can't plant sprouts here. So, we only need to collect them ourselves. I'm gonna make weekly videos depending on if I have to go to school or not. But mostly, I do have to go to school. And at this point, you will see lawnmowers around here. Whoa. Crazy. It flew there. So I'm keeping the old one, definitely. My cool looking belt. That is my cool looking belt. And now we should see if we have enough royal jelly. Because sometimes... Oh yeah, I have a lot of treats. I have a lot of treats. See that I have. Good job. Treat world. This is treat world. Yeah. I have a whole world of treats over here.
You can fit it.
So, if you have a treat world, then this is a good thing because this way you can get your bees born high to the sky. Is my spicy bee mythic? I'm OP. My spicy bee turns OP. Glory. So for me, so you can also buy tickets with your honey, not just from you know whose quests, right? There's a glitter in here. You can get it. There's a royal jelly here. open gifts on the planet sometimes. I didn't know there was a werewolf. So you know in here there's a cave thingy. Hurry up. Can you try getting in? In this cave. And get in this cave. Just close your eyes and keep jumping. Keep jumping. Get in. Keep jumping. There's something over there that's leaving me out. Okay, so now you just have to ask. Okay, so while he's summoning this honey storm, we will get in when the honey storm occurs, okay? Okay. So now you know where that honey storm comes. What are those things? They are tarantulas. They're tarantulas. You can get killed by them. And you can't kill them, the thing is. You can't kill tarantulas. No, not your regular spiders in here. Not the regular spiders. Because they have fangs and they will eat you. And you will get killed in a few minutes. So that's it.